Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Schwartz and got a little septic system project going on. There's an excavator and you might notice that my words don't match my lips. That's because I lost the audio file, so I guess I'm just going to be voicing over this. But yeah, basically the septic guys came in for the first day of work. Or this might have been the second actually. This was recorded back in August and it's November 5th now, but basically they have this pipe here and they can't work underneath the house, so they just ran it up to the edge of the house and then I have to take it from there. So I'll be doing that later in the video. Plumbing comes over here to this septic tank. I got the three partition, I guess, I can't remember what it's called, but basically three parts, and it's like a 2,000 gallon tank because right now that's a 3-bedroom house, but in the future it's going to be a 4-bedroom back here. I'm kind of pointing at it. And so I'm just kind of planning ahead for that. Comes out of the tank, goes over there to the mound. It's kind of like over to the side because in the future it'll be easier to run to the actual house. It's not really a straight line, it's kind of shaped like a oval-ish, like half moon, and goes up and over. They brought in the special sand. It's supposed to be, I don't know if it's like septic rated or whatever, sanitary purposes, but my land is so low that I needed to build up the mound before they could put in the pipes. And this is just PVC pipes. They just drill holes in that for the water to come out of, or the waste water. The two wires coming up, one of them is the septic, like the pumps it out to the drain field, or the mound, and the other one's for the alarm. I got some pieces here. I'm going to just have the PVC go into a 90, come up, and then go into that flush thing, and just go up and over to that drain PVC there. Here's a coupling. I'm going to adapt because it's, I think, 3-inch coming out of the house and then 4-inch going to the tank. So I took the cap off the end of this pipe down here. I don't know what they cut it with. Sorry, man. I don't know what they cut it with, but it oh, it smells like PVC glue and primer in there. But anyways, I don't know what they cut it with because it's like chewed off, but listen to the sound it makes when I tap the end of this. Sounds pretty cool, don't it? Alright, so got everything all plumbed up. This goes into that adapter, down to the 90, comes down. I think it was like 7 feet or 8 feet or something like that. So I just had to drop it, 1/4 inch per foot, comes down into there. Now that I'm thinking about it, I forgot to put Teflon tape around that threading on the top of this thing. But yeah, so basically this was the last connection. I just had to put the PVC glue on there and put it in there, and that was it. All right, there we go. That's all done. I just gotta, I don't know what I ended up doing with the Teflon for this. I don't know if you have to use Teflon for these, but I was going to anyways, but then I Googled it and it said, yeah, you should use it in like Google AI's voice or whatever that's called, Gemini, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna find some Teflon to put on here. Otherwise, I'm pretty much done. Got these wires here. I mean, obviously this is a direct burial because they buried it. Yeah, USB. So I'm gonna run these over yonder. If you can see this PVC pipe, there's another one sticking down. That's where the electrical panel is, so I'll go up there with that. And then we'll be just about done with this, for my part anyways. They have to come back and do their stuff, like, you know, finish the septic tank field. Drain field thing, and then yeah, I guess I'll just show what it looks like when that's done. I think I'm pretty much done here. All right, so it's covered up now, but that septic drain comes out here into the tank over there. Here's the mound. Last you saw it, I don't know if I had a video of it after it was all put together or whatever you want to call it, like all the sand and stuff piled up. There's grass planted. Here, we'll go up there. And some other plants that aren't grass came up, and this is some of that sand yet that was put in there. Yeah, pretty tall mound. So that's that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos if you want. Subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Toodles.